When people say Bitcoin's going to 1 million, I say, who cares? Bitcoin will go up forever and ever. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm not 100% today. I've been trying to get some sleep. I have been having problems sleeping lately, but I am here today on today's show. So I'll just power through and get you the news, do some TA and all that good stuff for today. So let's start off by saying, if you're interested in trading, you go over to coinw.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. Also join the Telegram group so that they can help you if you have any problems, and also learn, how to trade, and also gain some trading tips as well. Only if you sign up with my exclusive link. Okay, medieval empires. That's all-time low. That's okay. I know that this game is going to take off, and I'm very, very patient. I own a lot of medieval empires, and I'm looking forward to it taking off. I also play the game regularly, and if you're interested in playing the game, I'm giving away 50,000 me tokens if we get this prestige up to level 10. Now, if you do not sign up before this gets to level 8, you will not get the 50,000. I'll probably just give you 10,000, right? Only for those who sign up before this gets to level 8 will get the 50,000. So if you sign up today and start actually hustling on medieval empires, you can make some money. You know what? Also, you can join this group. I will be doing another giveaway for this group as well once we get up to level 20, but I haven't decided yet on what it is. So you could join there. Mr. Loris Bayo, you used to be a strong player. What happened? You haven't been playing over a month. Where are you? Come back. Okay. Looks like Orc is ready to pump. Be ready, guys. Be ready. This is crazy. Amazing stuff here. The liquidity is slowly rising. Awesome work from the dev team and everybody that's in the community to help make this rise. Thank you very much. Same with Waffles. The Waffles community is also pushing this really hard. And yeah, guys, where are you at, man? It is an easy win for you guys with Waffles. Yeah, make sure you have some Waffles today. Okay, PayPay. Hey, you know what? It might be down, but it ain't out yet. And so look for PayPay to reverse course very soon. And if you missed that, I told you so, right? So that's it. Alrighty. This is the news we're going to be covering for today, right? BlackRock's Bitcoin stash nears 350,000 trails only Satoshis and Binance wallets. Interesting. You see how this guy's laughing? See how he's laughing? Because this is how he probably really feels, because most of y'all don't know that by ETF, all they can promise you is that all they can give you is dollars. All those Bitcoin belong to him, right? They can owe you dollars, but not the Bitcoin, right? And so that's the joke. The joke's on you if you own an ETF and you think you have Bitcoin. And most people are willing to accept that because they think the dollar is going to go on forever and ever. And they're going to have to learn the hard way, right? That this has been done before. We've seen what the end result is, and you're going to get burned. Okay? That's how it works, right? Because history is clear on this. If you don't want to pay attention to history, you are going to be a part of it and be educated. But by the time you do get educated on it, it's too late. They're going to start to scam over again. It'll take years for people to figure out, to learn what the lessons that you learned, right? Because they're not going to. It takes multiple lifetimes before they actually realize, oh shoot, I guess I shouldn't have done that with the fiat currency. Yeah, it's been done before. Okay, 1 million BTC in 2027. Analyst says Bitcoin could be mirroring Japanese stock market early years. Yeah, the Japanese stock market went up and up and up, and everybody was like freaking out. They couldn't believe it during the 80s. And the Nikkei went to crazy highs. But interesting enough, the Nikkei has never returned back to those highs. Never. From 1987. Never. That's kind of crazy, right? especially with all the inflation. Oh my God. Yeah. So yeah, it is. It will continue to go higher, and it won't be like there will be a time when it will hit all-time highs that are like ridiculous, like maybe, something stupid where you can buy, I don't know, like a Boeing, no, an Airbus 380 for 1 Bitcoin, right? That's a little bit out of this world ridiculous, right? But it might hit that, right? Because of what it is. And it's basically like the invention of electricity or fire, right? Everybody's going to use it, and in corporations especially, and governments. So it is a big win for you if you understand that ahead of time, right? And you don't just, I'm buying and then sell it when it's at the top. If you do that, you don't understand what it is, and you will get left out when that happens, when it explodes really fast without you saying, because there's going to be a God candle that goes up, and you'd be like, I'm out of the market. Should I buy? And you're not going to know what to do. German BaFin regulators crack down on crypto ETMs. Yeah, you know what? People need to leave Germany, right? If you behead somebody and in Germany and kill them, no crime was committed. But hey, if you actually have a freaking ATM, that's 10 years in prison. Ridiculous. I just saw an article on that. I wanted to post it up, but I forgot to put it up for you guys to see that. But yeah, it was ridiculous when I read this article, and I'm like, oh my God. Wow. Anyways, Germany Federal Financial Supervisory Authority has launched a crackdown on crypto ATMs, seized 13 of these automated cash machine kiosks in 35 locations, the government regulators announced on August 20th. The German financial regulators conducted seizures in conjunction with the federal crime police officers, local law enforcement, and Germany's Bundesbank. According to the government bureau, the ATM operators illegally installed the machines and failed to register them under the Section 32 of Banking Act. BaFin claims that the exchanges of euros to cryptocurrencies or vice versa breaches the Banking Act. That's not true. That is a falsehood. That is guilty first, and you have to prove your innocence, right? That is not true, right? So they've gone after the ATMs, right, without a legal judge or a court order. 1,000% that's what happened. 1,000%. No court order has been issued, and they want to still take in somebody's property. This is how the government operates. Keep that in mind when you talk about real world assets in crypto. Yeah, right. Okay. Second, Solana ETF approved in Brazil. The product will be launched by Brazilian-based asset manager Hashdex in partnership with local investment bank BTG. This is cool, right? There's two Brazilian ETFs for Solana, so that's pretty good. Again, not your keys, not your cheese, but you know what? That's hopefully if they are following the rules and buying actual Solana, that's a good sign for Solana to pump. Okay, Solana sees DEX growth, but it's not enough for SOL price. Yes, you know what? Just because the number of decentralized exchanges increase, and then the on-chain data shows a 400% spike in trading activity on decentralized exchanges powered by Solana network over the past week. Yes, that's trading, but that doesn't mean that the number of Solana is actually being held by newer players in the game, right? So that is the issue, because the amount of Solana is growing by 14% annually. So yeah, it is. It's a little bit of a dampening effect on the Solana price, but eventually there's going to be a lot more people coming in here, especially when Bitcoin starts to take off and you see the wealth effect. There's going to be a lot of people jumping on the bandwagon for crypto. Okay. Speaking of jumping on the bandwagon, you jump on the bandwagon, buy some crypto at coinw.davincij15.com. right? You can even buy some Waffles coins on or coins. So yeah, soon some org, but not just yet. Okay, Bitcoin, a little bit of sideways action. Not much going on. The liquidation caused this little bit of a dump here down to 58.5, and now we're going to see a little bit more sideways action, probably 4 hours. Yes, well, actually, we should be seeing an explosive move now that it's actually tightened. Ooh, wow, even 6 hours tight. Let's see, 12. Oh, wow, there's a big move coming now as the Bollinger Bands squeeze. And so even on the daily, the Bollinger Bands are squeezing. So this means prepare for something big to come out of this move, whether it's up or down. Bollinger Bands do not indicate whether it's going to be an up or down move. It just says, pay attention, we're about to move heavy. So with that said, it looks more like we're moving higher. So let's take a look at Ethereum just to give us a clearer picture, right? Right. Again, its bands are not quite squeezing, but it's almost there, and we're trying to hold the line on this support level. Not doing a very good job, and in fact, I can probably bring down this support level down to here. Yeah, there it is, and that would be more accurate of a support level. And so I would say that we are testing to break this level here every single time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Not good, right? When we take a look at where the top level is, I would say right about here, maybe, yeah, right about there. Let's bring this one down. You can see that it would be better off if we kept hitting the top level, not the bottom one, to say that this is going to break higher. So this is looking more bearish than bullish. However, if we bounce off of here and start creating some sort of W in formation here, you see a little bit of a W in here, then we can see this thing break out, but we have to break above this key level here, $2,700 to be closer to that level there, 2,695, but to be exact. But yeah, once we break from there, that's it. I think we're breaking higher all the way to 200 period moving average, which is the $3,000 level. Okay, well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.